2016 BMW 550i. Beautiful car. I'll show you guys what we done to it. Factory converter up there somewhere, the other one over there. Then he cut it off right here. And we said, okay, we'll run true duals for you. So we true dualed it with 2.5 all the way back on each side, as you guys can see. And then he's gonna get some new tips. But for right now, we just put him some singles out the back. He's gonna get some quad tips in next. So stay tuned. It was all cut off when he brought it in. We ran everything for him new. 2.5 straight pipe true duals on a 550i. So guys, 2008 BMW 550i. So it's got caps right there, right there. And then we true dualed it all the way back. Put a FedEx pipe on it. 2.5 all the way back to let it breathe on each side there and there. And then finished it off with some sexy Natami staggered tips right there and right there. Came out clean. Look at this beast. I know you guys are ready to hear it, so let me let you guys hear it. But let me show you what we took off. This BMW comes with 4 resonators, 2 right there, 1 right there, and 2 mufflers out the back. All on one side, but it comes with this plastic shroud that covers this side. We took it off, so that's the shroud right there. We took it off and ran true duals on it. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, I think. Like that. I don't know why they do that in the first place. BMW, stop being cheap. Always make it dual. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys BMW M5, which was one of my favorite cars back in the day. Really nice car. Quick, too. I think they push like 500 to 600 horsepower. I'm not sure. Factory converter. Then secondary converters right there. Then a baby X pipe right there. Or H pipe. I can't see because of the cross member on it, but it's okay. So we did a resonator delete right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. We took the 2 mufflers off there and added 2.5-inch pipe in their place and finished it off with MKZ dual tips, quads. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it right there. And there's the resonator that was on it that we took off. So we took all that off, gave it about a 100-pound weight reduction on it. So it gained probably another 10 to 15 horsepower by just weight reduction, as you guys can see. Here we go, guys. BMW 550i 2016. Fully true dualed, straight pipe, 2.5. Exhaust addicts don't disappoint. Look at his face. He's been a fan of ours for 5 years, guys. He doesn't believe it.
So much better.
Ear candy. Ear candy. That sounds good. And it's got the pop too. I love it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 112, bro. That's insane. I love that pop. That never gets old, man. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, it definitely needs the brakes, bro.
Yeah. It just started doing that yesterday.
You guys can tell these tires are 6 months old. They were brand new 6 months ago. Not anymore. He's gonna get new tires, but he's had a lot of fun with it, so I don't blame him. Go ahead. That's sick. You hear the spool? Dude, that's so sick.
Next is the down pipe
Yeah.
and the X pipe.
Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's how a BMW should sound. Nice idle to it. Give it gas. Wow. Again. Here's sound decibels. 109. Wow, 109. That's crazy. Again. Yeah, I like it. Clean idle, everything. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, it's a little bit windy out here. Our mic's covered, but hopefully you don't hear the wind too much. That sounds phenomenal. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our beautiful shop. BMW M5, fully straight pipe. Sounds so much better. Very nice. Here's sound decibels. 121, guys. That's insane. How's the days before the rev limiter? That's perfect. Got a mean idle to it too. Isn't that idle? Wow. Absolutely perfect. Those tips look perfect on it too. Don't you guys agree? If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our phone number. Give us a call if you have any questions. Oh, what a beast. That's a good sounding car, man. Wow. M5. Look at the sticker on the front. Did you read the sticker? He's like, oh yeah. He bought it for $1.30 off eBay. TikTok shop.
Worth every penny.
Worth every penny. It's so funny. Yeah, that was awesome. Enjoy, guys. You hear the pop? That was awesome. BMW 550, true dual, fully straight piped with the Tommy quad tips out the back. That sounds great. Woo! That sounds really good. It is a true M5, guys. It's got the fenders and all. So I want to let you guys know that. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like under the hood. M5 V10. Woo! And it's all its glory. Wow. And that engine's just stuffed in there. That's why I used to like them back in the day, man. They were the quickest thing on the road. So much fun. Just want to let you guys see that.